So for those of you who are fans of the Clear Case, Apple sells for £50 in the UK. I do have a cheaper version of that, which is actually better in some ways. And so yeah, let's delve into the contents of this ESR Clear Case. So this I believe was £5 or maybe less. Either way, a lot cheaper than Apple's Clear Case, and it basically offers the same thing. So let's get into the contents. So we have the case itself, nicely wrapped up. Let's take it out, and boom, as you can see, it offers the same exact MagSafe ring on the back, so we'll test MagSafe, it should work. But why it's better is because it actually covers the bottom of the device. So yeah, the Clear Case actually leaves this open, which of course can scratch the bottom of your device. This, however, protects it, and it's a lot cheaper. So yeah, this is a no-brainer. Definitely get this instead over Apple's Clear Case. So let's actually put this on the device. So here we go. I should ideally wipe the phone before putting it in, but we're just showing it off right now for demonstration. I'll wipe it later. There we go, and boom. Looks exactly like Apple's case, but was £5. And yeah, you can see it shows off the great space black, and it has the MagSafe ring. So let's test MagSafe. So here we have a MagSafe power bank. Let me quickly test this for you guys. Boom. Oh! Dynamic island is cool. Anyways, we're shaking it, as you can see, and it's still there. So yeah, this literally does the same job as Apple's Clear Case for much less. And the buttons are super clicky on the sides. You have the right cutouts on the side and bottom of the device. And also there is a lip, so of course, if you slam it like this, the screen's going to be protected. Though I do have a screen protector right now, and as you can see, it's a perfect fit, even with the protector. So yeah, this case is a no-brainer, guys. Definitely do get it. Now obviously I won't be dropping this for you guys, but there are cushions on the corners of the case that should absorb the impact, and so the phone should be protected. So yeah, that's basically everything, guys. Obviously, if you have questions, tell me in the comments below, but that's about it. Thank you for watching, and see ya, peeps.